Hello, welcome. In this video, we're going to ask the AI tough questions about Tanzanian country. If you are new to this channel, my name is Mbonimpai. We talk about crypto, legit investment, motivations, technology, and health. Please consider subscribing and click the bell button so that every time I upload a new video, it will be very easy for you to get notification. In this video, we will look into introduction to AI and machine learning, and then we will finish by asking the AI tough question about Tanzania country. Let's get started. So we start with introduction to AI and machine learning. When we say AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's simply making the machine or computer able to perform a variety of advanced functions, including ability to see, understand, translate spoken and written language, analyze data, also recommendation, just like human being. And the purpose of AI is to make it possible for machine to learn from experience, adjust new input, and perform human-like tasks. Artificial intelligence, we can say, is a technology that enables machines to simulate human behavior, while machine learning is simply a subset of AI which allows a machine to automatically learn from the past data without programming explicitly. So simply, that is AI and machine learning. And the goal of AI is to make smart computer system like humans, and the purpose is to solve complex problems. So simply, that is what we call AI and machine learning. AI can be used in many places. These are some of the examples where AI can be applied. The first is hospital. Hospital, we have tasks like imaging analysis. You may have a certain disease, and then you may have a certain disease data. You have a lot of data. For example, let's say eye disease. So you may have a data of all eye disease of patients who have been coming to the hospital. And then you create a machine where it will be easy for the machine to analyze those images. For example, if you have a new patient came into a hospital, you can just take a picture of his eyes and then you give it to AI. So the AI will analyze that image based on the past patients, and then the AI will be able to generate a report that maybe this person is suffering from this disease because of the past information data that's been fed into the AI machine. And the second function, we always see what we call YouTube video recommendation. So when you are using YouTube videos, you can find that every time maybe you are watching technology's video, every time you open your YouTube, the YouTube machine or the YouTube system, AI system, will be bringing you technology videos. So that's what we call the AI of the YouTube. It means it just learns from you what you usually watch, and then it will be giving you videos that is relating to what you watch regularly. So that's what we call, the AI that's responsible for recommendation. So it's just check your behavior of looking to videos, and then the AI will be, giving you videos that you usually watch them. And the last use, we can say AI can be used in smart cars and drones. We have seen now, we have smart cars, we have cars that are self-driving, also we have drones. So these are just sample or some of the examples of AI, but it has a lot of functions in our daily life. So after looking into machine learning, AI, and checking some of the function of AI, now we'll jump into asking tough question, the AI called ChatGPT. Before jumping into the AI, we need to know what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the AI. It's a large language model developed by OpenAI. It's it's a neural network-based machine learning model that has been trained on a massive amount of text data from the internet. So it has a capability of understanding and responding to natural language input in a human-like way. So ChatGPT can be used for a variety of natural language processing tasks such as language translation, text summarization, question answering, and then text generation. So it can be fine-tuned for specific tasks such as customer service chatbot or language-based game. So that's what we call ChatGPT. So in this video, we'll be using ChatGPT to ask it tough questions about Tanzanian country. To be able to interact with ChatGPT, you just go on Google and then search what you call write ChatGPT. So this is their website. So we click here into their website. So this is ChatGPT website, and then I'll go and click here try ChatGPT. So once you click ChatGPT, it says welcome to ChatGPT. So it's required you to log in with your OpenAI account to continue. When you click here login, when you click login, there is varieties of login capability. You can log in using your email. You can log in using your email. You can log in using your email, or you can just continue with your Google. So it will just take. You can log in with your Google account. Also, you can log in with your, if you have a Microsoft account. So once you log in into your ChatGPT, it will look like this one. So you have a place where you'll be writing your text, and then the AI will be giving you answers. As I said, in this video, we're going to ask ChatGPT tough questions about Tanzania. So the first question will be, where is Tanzania? Then let's see how the ChatGPT will answer. So right here, where is Tanzania? So if we write where is Tanzania, and then I'll click here send, and then I'll be waiting for ChatGPT to give me answer. It says Tanzania is a country in East Africa bordered by Kenya, Uganda to north, Rwanda, Burundi, and Democratic Republic of Congo. So it says the capital and largest city is Dodoma, and this is the capital city of Tanzania is Dodoma. So the ChatGPT has answered our question. Now let's go to the second question. Suppose I want to ask you, how many regions does Tanzania have? If I say here, how many regions does Tanzania? So if I click here, I'll be waiting for the response. So it says Tanzania divided into 30 regions. So this is the second question. How many regions does Tanzania have? So the ChatGPT has answered me Tanzania divided into 30 regions, or we call them mkoa in Swahili. Also Zanzibar, which is semi-autonomous. And then the regions are further divided into districts. In Swahili, we call it wilaya. Now this is the second question. The third question, let's ask it, who is the current president of Tanzania? So if we say, who is the current president of Tanzania? So if I click here, I'll be waiting for response. So you see, as my knowledge of cutoff in 2021, so the current president of Tanzania, so the ChatGPT still remembering the sixth president of Tanzania, who is John Pombe Magufuli. So he has been Magufuli. So he has been in the office since November 5, 2015. So that means some of the data on ChatGPT have not yet been updated on Tanzania, because the current president of Tanzania is Dr. Samia Suluhu Hassan. So another question, let's say, who was the first president of Tanzania? The first president of Tanzania. And then let's wait for the year. So you say the first president of Tanzania was Julius Nyerere, or Julius Kambarage Nyerere. So he served as the president of Tanzania from the country independence in 1961 until he resigned in 1985. So this is true. The first president of Tanzania is Mwalimu Julius Kambarage Nyerere. So another question is, how many national parks in Tanzania? How many national parks? How many national parks are found in Tanzania? So in Tanzania, let's wait for ChatGPT to give us answers. So Tanzania is a home to many national parks and protected areas, which are known for their diverse wildlife and stunning landscape. So we have its National Park Ngorongoro, Tarangire, and many more. So these are protected areas, cover a wide range of habitats from savanna grassland to tropical forest, and are home to diverse areas of wildlife, including elephant, lions, leopard, zebra, giraffe, and many species of birds and other animals. So let's ask another question. Best tourism places in Tanzania. So if I ask it, best tourist places in Tanzania. So best tourist places in Tanzania. So let's wait for the ChatGPT to give an answer. So we say Tanzania's popular tourist destination known for stunning natural beauty. So there is Serengeti National Park, there is Ngorongoro Conservation Area, there is Mount Kilimanjaro, there is Zanzibar, there is Tarangire National Park, there is Lake Manyara National Park, Selous Game Reserve, Arusha National Parks. So there are just few examples of many incredible tourist destinations in Tanzania, and there are many others to explore as well. So simply, ChatGPT can actually answer every question you ask him about Tanzania. So simply, these are some of the questions that I decided to ask ChatGPT on Tanzanian country. Thanks very much for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that every time I upload a new video, it will be very easy for you to get notification. Thank you.